Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're watching fireworks. And last night the fireworks are pretty in the 4th of July. Here we go.
Oh.
Alright, here we go. And it's raining outside, don't worry. Here we go.
Yeah.
There we go.
Wow.
Can't do that anymore. There's a big tree on the wall.
There is? Oh, sure.
That was a big one.
Yeah.
I know. There goes the red.
It's a big one.
Oh wow. This is
Beautiful.
beautiful.
I like the scissors.
Me too, I like the scissors.
There you go.
Perfect.
What are white ones?
Yeah.
There's all the colorful ones. Come on, give us some
There's
color.
been a bunch of colorful ones.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay?
what you got?
Yeah, sure, that's a seat. Oh, she's in the
And then she can see it perfect.
There we go. While it was raining outside. I liked it.
Oh, there's sister. Oh, there you go. Almost sister.
Look at it down. Look at it down.
You still could see him though. That's good. Oh.
That's a good conditions.
Yeah,
Right? Uh-huh.
the soybeans was better last time. Oh, scissors, hear it?
Oh, there's scissors.
Yeah.
How big is that?
About the
It's okay.
was small enough and you could look at it through the window. That's all.
It's okay.
Come on, yeah,
I'm just videotaping. Here we go.
I'm just amazed at the flying this time of rain.
You don't have to worry about this because you're not going to get to this one.
Here goes the down and bottom too. That is beautiful.
Oh, that was a little sister.
Oh, that's a slightly.
There's another sister.
Oh. All right. Oh, that is gorgeous.
Yeah, you can.
This is so drop dead gorgeous, right?
Wet inside.
I know.
We had to look at
Because of the rain. Of course, it's rain. Why are there these? There we go. Here we go, Nana.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Woohoo! Also, I say happy birthday, America 250. Yeah. Right.
Oh, there's a big one.
Oh, here we go.
There's another big one.
I think it'll be a short one.
See it?
It's like a big explosion when the explodes. It's like a big giant explosion.
Is that beautiful?
That was nice. It came out white and it came from.
Oh, that's a nice red color.
Trying to catch 'em?
I liked it.
Because what do I like?
I'm pretty sure they're ringing when it could be camera.
Did you get 'em?
Nope.
Last year I had to spray them down with bug spray.
Oh, yeah.
Skaters were eating.
Wait,
Trying
hold
to
it
keep
on
everybody
card now.
Yeah.
Here I go.
That's alright.
I'm trying to collect it.
Only a little.
She'll take care of it.
I'll go out the window eventually. With these going on at 9, you might have time to actually drop them off and shoot the
No.
Hanover and get some real food.
Uh-uh.
Wow.
Wow. This is so drop dead beautiful.
That was a nice one. That was a,
Oh, I loved it.
that was a double. There's another double. Oh, that's
Oh, that is insane.
kind
The bug was in my mouth.
of in your mouth.
Ah!
Are you taking after your father? Eating bugs?
No?
No.
Yeah, really.
Look at. Where is he?
Are you cold again?
No, she's looking for the ball. Are you cold? Let's turn this up.
Are you cold, princess? Oh, say, Daddy, there's a sweatshirt in my trunk.
Oh, that is drop dead gorgeous. It's drop dead.
Yeah.
Come over this side.
Are you scared?
And then we fly.
Oh, I like the red heart though.
She's such a girl.
Yeah. Here we
There's
go.
one.
Wow.
That's a great red.
The way you shoot.
Yeah, nice, huh? Oh, that was a.
I like that one.
That one's going pretty high. Let's see.
Whoa.
Yay.
Those are some fly high ones, for sure.
Yeah. Look at this one.
We found this spot last year by accident.
Did you?
We drove around and we were looking to see where we might be able to see the fireworks.
This is beautiful. Here we go. As a white one. Okay. That's something.
Not
That's
sure what kind of fireworks those
Huh?
are. Not sure which ones those are.
Here's a Swizzler, Nana. Your favorite.
Yeah.
Of course.
Oh, good. I'm glad Sydney's enjoying it. Nice. Yeah.
And now she's playing.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. Wow.
These girls have no clothes on. There's
Whoa.
Oh, you know what I saw?
Okay.
there's an
Big
adult.
bug on my wrist and dead.
Yeah.
Oh. be?
If the boat goes,
Oh,
I
yeah.
need to clap.
It's all your survive for one night. It'll be done by morning.
It's sitting on the side.
Oh, that was pretty.
Oh,
neat.
that is
See,
beautiful.
No, insert.
No face.
You don't.
There's a back one.
I think he escaped.
That can't be. If you
That
know
was
that.
behind the Sinclair Diner, I think.
They roll back into the door. I think he escaped.
Fireworks only last about 15 to 20 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's more going.
That's a big boom.
I know.
Oh, that was a white.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, sorry, it was about like what, 15 minutes in?
Yep.
Somebody beat the horn. Mm-mm.
Wow. What about that one, Mary? What color was it? Red?
Oh, that is a Christmas color. Oh, that is a holiday color.
That's good.
Ooh.
Coming at us, a bit of gas.
Yeah. Oh, I like that one.
The kids, so they still have that metal slide. That's all it is.
Oh, it's pink.
No, they told me what it was. The metal slide stuff.
Yeah, it all looked like it was plastic at
Plastic.
some reason.
Oh, they took that big one away then.
Oh, they did take the picture.
I'm talking about the metal one that Nanny went down when she was a kid. And your mother went down when she was a kid.
Andrew gets one of them. I think they were all over there.
Everything looked like it was plastic there.
That is beautiful.
Yeah.
Drop dead beautiful. Some kind of sizzlers, right?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, it's pink.
That roll back up the window. I know what. Whoa.
Wow. Drop dead beautiful. Yeah. You mean you say drop dead? Alright. And no, I'm not rolling my window up. No. Absolutely not. But that's why I'm filming it. Right, Nana?
Yeah.
Oh, that is drop dead gorgeous. Oh, there we go.
Oh, that was a big one.
This is beautiful in 2026, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yesterday, that was absolutely beautiful.
It started like a half hour before it was supposed to.
That's good.
Maybe they were trying to do it before.
Before a
Got
big
to
Yeah,
storm.
Mm.
It's okay.
It's alright. Don't worry.
Well, that was like those ones with the circle.
Huh.
Here it comes.
Oh, here goes the orange and red.
Yeah, you're right. Thank you. You're absolutely right.
Oh boy.
That's
Oh, that's some kind of blue and white. Absolutely. Whoa. It is gorgeous. Oh, what kind of fireworks is that?
That's fantastic. That is really cool, yes.
This is drop dead beautiful. Yeah.
Are you saying that on video?
Yeah, drop dead beautiful. Sorry.
Drop dead beautiful.
What's wrong with that, Mom?
There's nothing wrong
It's
with
beautiful.
She's saying it.
Oh well, Mom, you know what?
On video.
People like Angie for who she is. She can say whatever she wants on the internet.
Oh boy.
Angie, you gotta post your firework displays because Kayla wants to see stars.
Okay. Yeah.
Where did they go to the fireworks?
I don't think they really went anywhere.
Wait, Kayla wants to see the fireworks.
Watch this, post them on Facebook or
Oh.
YouTube.
Oh really? Oh, okay.
Angie, come on.
I'm sorry. Sorry. Oh. Wow. This is pretty amazing. What do you think, Nana?
Nice, beautiful.
No, let's not leaving.
Yes, I should be sleeping.
Wait till it's over.
We're getting towards the finale, getting here first. So we're ready to rock and roll.
Wait, go, wait.
We're not leaving yet, Angie.
Okay.
Your sister needs to get into her seat.
Start with the finale. Oh.
Please make sure hiding down. If she would lean through the center, she can see.
I think it's
Sorry, I'm looking forward to the finale. I'm tired, Mom. I mean, like, I guess it wasn't the finale, but can you still see them, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry,
Just the
Mom.
bottom.
You only see with my camera too. I think. I'm sure it's pretty long one because
What?
it's 2026. What's up?
Have your phone back.
Yes.
I think this
Make sure you turn it down,
is
okay?
not such a loud sound in your ears.
Hey.
Ange, don't aggravate your sister. That doesn't sound good on camera.
Wow.
This is it.
Oh, Daddy, you hold us in the rain.
Maybe we could wear ponchos or something. I know, right? Woo! Wait a minute.
I'm not moving, I'm just buckling my seatbelt. I'm getting ready to rock and roll here.
I know.
You're done. You continue talking and I can see the drive.
Okay. Ow.
Very shaped up here.
Look. Woohoo! Yeah. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. Yay!
And can you buckle your sister in?
I can't.
Hold on.
Okay, sorry.
And buckle your sister in.
Okay.
'Cause I can't see what I'm doing.
Can you help?
Calm down, Mom. I got angry after.
Alright.
You got no one
This
buckle.
is the end. I hope you like this video, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube
And
channel,
don't freak. Relax.
and
Freaking. I'm just.
see you in my next video.
She'll get her.
And make sure if you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, it's pretty dark in
I
here.
know what I'm doing. Stop.
Alright.
Mom, I got 3 people right next to me.
The fireworks in Germantown is amazing.
Okay, here's
So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Alright, bye you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.